Making a tank top mockup doesn't have to be difficult. In fact, you have a ton of different options when it comes to how to make your tank top mockup. If you don't have any design skills or you don't have any design programs like Photoshop, that's totally fine. You can use other programs that are easier to use to create your mockup in just minutes. So for example, today we're going to be using Placeit to create a tank top mockup. To get started, head over to placeit.net. Once there, go ahead and click on the apparel and print option at the top of your screen. Here you'll be presented with all of Placeit's different apparel mockups. And as you can tell, most of the ones on the front page are for t-shirts, but we can go ahead and narrow these results down further by using the controls on the left-hand side. Under Product, go ahead and look for the option that says Tank Top and click on it. This will change it so that the grid only displays tank top mockups. And as you can tell, there are still quite a few different types of mockups to choose from. There's images as well as videos, and there's some mockups that are more beachy while others are more for working out, and some that are just casual. So depending on the type of design you want to put on your mockup, go ahead and select an image that makes sense for it. So today we're going to be making more of a beachy mockup, so I'm going to go ahead and select this one. Once you select the image you want to put your design on, you'll be presented with a screen that looks like this. In the center is the mockup. On the left-hand side, you have the option to upload your design, and on the right-hand side, you can change the color of the tank top. So let's go ahead and click Upload Image to get our design onto the mockup. Go ahead and find your design wherever it is you have it saved on your computer, and click Open. Once you do that, Placeit will work to put your design onto the image. But before actually placing your design onto the mockup, you have the option to move it around so that the placement is just right, and you also have the option to make it bigger or smaller depending on what look you're going for. So to move your design around, go ahead and click on it and just drag it to wherever you would like it to be placed. And to make it bigger or smaller, use the slider at the bottom. Once you're satisfied with the placement and size of your design, go ahead and click Crop. So this is what your mockup will look like. If you're not satisfied with the position or the size of it, you can always click the reposition button to fix that. But if you like what it looks like, you can go ahead and move on to choosing the color of your tank top. So go ahead and click the drop-down menu and you'll see a grid full of different colors. You can choose any of these or click the More option, where you can enter a hex number or choose a color out of the box above it. So for today, we're just going to leave it white. And once you're satisfied with what your mockup looks like, you can go ahead and click Download. So the great thing about this is that you're not limited to making only one mockup. If you want to show a full range of different colors that you offer for the same style, you can do that as well. You can also choose different mockups using the same model to show the mockup in a number of different settings or in a number of different views. So for example, we made a mockup of this tank top and we made it in a couple of different colors so that customers can see what the design would look like on different colored tank tops. And we also made another one that's similar but shows the tank top closer up and in a different view. So as you can tell, this is all super easy to do and super quick, but if you have any questions, please let us know in the comments down below.